Topic is retrenchment strategy. This is part of the grand strategies, the four grand strategies. It is a defensive strategy in which a firm having declining performance decide to improve its performance through contraction in these activities, that is reducing the scope of its business by total or partial withdrawal from present business. Focusing on functional improvement with special emphasis on cost reduction, or reducing the number of functions it performs by being a captive firm, or reducing the number of products, market, customer functions, or liquidation of business as a last alternative in this stage in this strategy, or combination of the above. The reason for adopting a retrenchment strategy: when the organization is not doing well and perceives that it may not do better in a future too in a particular line of business, it is advisable to delete that line of business. After deletion, the organization can concentrate in other areas where it has some advantages. If the organization is not meeting its objectives, even after following other alternative strategies, it may go for retrenchment strategy. Also, when the management is under pressure to improve the performance, this strategy can be pursued as last resort. Alternatives of the retrenchment strategy. The alternatives available in this strategy, like turnaround strategy. It is also known as a cutback strategy. Hold the present business and cut the cost. It is It is one in which a company tries to recover from its declining state by improving internal efficiency. Turnaround actions may include change in the product mix, selling up assets which are not useful for a long time or in future also to generate cash, closing down plants and division which are not rewarding, replacement of obsolete machinery, focus on specific products and the customer, and improved marketing. The next one is the liquidation strategy under retrenchment. It is one in which the firm closes down and sell its entire business at a fair price on the basis of tangible assets, management goodwill, and also intangible assets, and invest the realization somewhere else or distribute among the debtors and the members. When businesses can't be received and its retaining value is less than its selling, business is in peak from value but future is quite uncertain, having no direction. Business has accumulated losses and some other organization offer higher price to get tax benefits. Liquidation value is more than discounted present value of the future flow of the income, etc.